We have a LG dishwasher. Here we have a message AE. The menu says if there's a AE error message, it means there's water leak. And turn off the water supply to the dishwasher and call LG Electronics. We called this number, but waited over 30 minutes, I think. Nobody answered the phone. So we decided to give a try ourselves. We are going to take off the bottom cover here. Here has 2 screws. Here has one. Here has another one. After open this bottom cover, we found here has a pan, and there's some water in this pan. Because the water here and there's a sensor pointed to this pan, so that's the reason it triggered the A error message. What we did was we used the towel and some paper towel to dry this pan. So now it's dry, you can see no water there. Okay, we close the cover, and now we're going to turn on the dishwasher to see if it works. Once you need to remind everyone, before you take off the cover at the bottom, turn off the power to the dishwasher to be safe.